It's time to change the white seat covers for my Tesla Model 3. I've had it for about 2.5 years now. And the white seat covers, they get dirty. But luckily, thanks to the seat covers, I know my original seat is protected. And I feel like, you know how it is back in the days when your mom and grandma would leave the plastic covers on the couch. I totally understand where they're coming from.
What are you doing?
Everyone wants me to change? I can change. I'm taking the covers off.
Well, where are we gonna sit?
Just knowing that your original white seat cover is protected, you just feel safe. Kind of like having a phone case. After 2.5 years of sitting on that white seat cover, and if you don't maintain it weekly, it gets dirty, and there's permanent gene marks and dirt that I just can't erase and get rid of. So, oh my gosh, look how dirty this is. From the back of my shirt, I'm so dirty. I scrub, and I'm telling you, it just won't come off. I tried all kinds of crazy things. The original seat cover is super white, so at least we could keep that protected and put in a new one. So I highly recommend it. Look how nasty this is. Yuck. I'm going to replace it, get a fresh new seat cover, make it feel brand new after having over 120 miles in that sucker over 2 years. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. And if you guys do like it, I got the HANSSHOW discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much. All right, let's open this up and let's get to it. Check out their website. They have everything Tesla plus other EVs as well. Everything that you can think of, they have. And as you can see, my car, it is decked out. I'm just having fun with it. Why not? Being able to take care of your family and working hard, and at the end, you get to spoil yourself a little bit with accessories. The seat covers I have on right now, they've been around for a while, since the beginning of Tesla Model 3. But this one, they just released it. So it's got a slightly new design, slightly new material. Oh, look at that. So this one's cool. So it feels very nice, super white. It's got a nice little black trim. You can get one with a red trim if you like, but it has a very cool look to it. Let's get to it. All right, it just feels like taking out a big, ooh, look at the original seat covers. It's so nice and clean. So here are all the seat covers. Very simple to install, but just very tedious. It comes with a little pack. It doesn't give you instructions, but I've done a couple of seat covers already and I kind of have an idea already. So it gives you white gloves, which is very cool. Nice, so that you don't mess up your seat covers. And of course, the wedge tool, you use to tuck it in on the edge. And this, so this is, let me show you how this works right here. Put this in, pop it in like that, and it just goes in real easily. And that way, when you slide it under the seat towards the back, it just holds onto the back like this, and then it doesn't pull. Well, it looks like this one doesn't really have a left or right because the side is just half. So if the airbag needs to come out, it'll just flip over. Oh man, I already made it dirty. Come on, dude. Don't put that on the ground. Okay, it comes off easily too. I see why you have to wear gloves. Your handprint's gonna be all over it. Let's go and put this over. Boop. Go over. My God, I'm making a mess already. Put on the gloves. Quit messing around. Put on the gloves. Guess my hands are dirty. Just keep putting stains on it. So wear the gloves. The rings, that's gonna go under here. All right, I'm gonna just do the bottom part first. I'll put this strap through. This has to strap to the bottom. So I will put these two together. I'll put this one here. The second one is also there. Now I could push this through to the bottom. You could use this tool to push it in. Just it's tucked in. Even this seatbelt comes out. There. Very nice. Pull the string and push it. Man, my car is so messy. I'm sorry, guys. It's messy as heck. And just put it to the plastic right here. It's easy to push. Easy. This goes over to the top. This long strap goes under the seat and straps it on the bottom together. Okay, that went through. So now we get to just tuck everything in. This seat covers are kind of better. I mean, like the old one I got, it didn't really fit perfectly. I just couldn't get it to look nice. This one seems to kind of hug everything really well. Nice, looks brand new. I took the seat cover out right here. Just wrap it around. Boom, that's the middle headrest right there. All right, so the seat comes off. There's a tiny button on this side and that side. You just push it and it just pops out. And I made a mistake last time when I put my seat cover on. Ooh, so dirty. Ugh. The second seat belt, there's two. Make sure you put it through the holes. As you can see, it just wraps over. Take this out. It's just a big wrapper. Put that around. Bit very, very light. It's made out of foam. Seats are made out of foam, so super light. Okay, good. And as you can see, and the first strap, in and out. In. You know what, after you do a couple of times, it gets kind of easier. I mean, but you are sweating, so be prepared to sweat. It hugs it nicely, so boom. This seat cover right here took me a while because just to get this seat belts to come through, oh my God, you just gotta jam it. I mean, I don't know, I'm exhausted, I'm tired. All right, so I know that this is the right side because see that hook? There it is, there's an opening right here. So let's just kind of use my common sense that I am lacking. Like a socks, easy, Velcros to the back. The seatbelt goes outside. And you gotta tuck this in. And that's when the tool comes in handy. This tool, because you don't have to jam your fingers. You could just jam the tool in. Okay. Now the seatbelt has to come through. Yeah, if you just move this, it just kind of goes in. Let's kind of move it. The momentum just pushes it through. It's kind of nice. There it goes. It comes out. You keep wiggling it.